restaurant marinades may add great flavor to your meats and veggies, but can also be the source of excess calories, high levels of sodium, and even sugar. Many take a perfectly clean dish of veggies and lean proteins and turn it into a bloating water retention dish. Take a look at the nutrition facts at some of the most common marinades. So what are cleaner alternatives? You can get super creative at home and make marinade recipes combining herbs, spices, oils, and more. Of course, homemade options will always be the best, and there are some easy recipes attached below, so download those at your leisure. Some of the quickest and most creative ways to add marinated flavors to dishes is to use some of the low-calorie, low-sodium salad dressings that I discussed in the salad dressing lecture. These are super easy and affordable, and they can also add great flavor to your stir-fried veggies and your stir-fried protein.